Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy. Thank you for following the channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about Coinbase today, guys. Coinbase stock pops as the crypto exchange will join the S&P 500 index next Monday. This was published on May 12th. I'm publishing this a little bit later, but this is an exciting video because at one point, if you know, 5-10 years ago, Coinbase was seen as a rogue company. Crypto was seen as a scam. And now Coinbase is the first crypto company to join the S&P 500. Let's just go over this article over on Market Watch and we'll discuss it, right? So Coinbase Global is joining the S&P 500 index on May 19th. S&P Dow Jones indices announced late Monday. Coinbase shares rallied nearly 20% on Tuesday. The inclusion is a watershed moment for the crypto exchange and the industry, analysts at Oppenheimer said in a note. A place in the S&P 500 index is a coveted spot for companies. It brings the shares to a much broader range of investors, as well as to passive funds that track the benchmark and actively manage funds that they can have limitations to where they can invest. Lack of deep institutional ownership was a bear thesis for Coinbase, but it has now become a strong tailwind, the Oppenheimer analyst said. The crypto company will replace Discover Finance, which Capital One Financial is acquiring in a deal that is closing soon. Coinbase was snubbed in the most recent 500 index shakeup in March, which ushered in DoorDash, TKO Group Holdings, Williams-Sonoma, and Expand Energy Group. A company's market capitalization is not the only admission ticket to the benchmark index, even as the S&P 500 names are some of the largest U.S. companies by market value. Inclusion criteria includes measurement of float and profitability. Coinbase last Thursday reported a disappointing quarter that the company pinned on the drop in cryptocurrency prices, along with the broader market due to tariff and economic uncertainty. First quarter sales missed Wall Street expectations and dropped when compared to fourth quarter sales. The company showed an even steeper quarter-on-quarter drop for its transaction revenue and called for lower current quarter subscription sales. Coinbase shares jump on addition to S&P 500 index in a watershed moment for the crypto market. This comes from Reuters. It is the first, like I said earlier, it was the first crypto firm to be included in the benchmark index. Shares jumped nearly $8 billion in market value. It is set to replace Discover Financial. The move was effective May 19th. It was a watershed moment for Coinbase and the industry. It sets an example for other crypto companies to go public and to earn a seat in the S&P 500. Oppenheimer analyst Owen Lau said, with surging institutional interest, crypto has rapidly moved into the mainstream, especially after President Donald Trump promised a lighter regulatory touch. We believe the S&P 500 inclusion will benefit Coinbase for a while as institutional investors take time to prepare to get into the stock. Oppenheimer analyst noted after raising the price target to $293. In the earlier trade, the stock hit its highest in 3 months, adding more $8 billion to the market cap of the cryptocurrency exchange. I think a key part of this is Donald Trump, right? He has promised a much lighter regulatory touch for crypto. He has his own crypto coin. He's definitely pro-crypto. And that is driving up the price. That is causing people to be bullish. So obviously this year with Coinbase joining the S&P 500, crypto is no longer not mainstream. Crypto is mainstream and has been accepted by a lot of mainstream players. So it's no longer crypto is adopted. Crypto is here. It's mainstream. We have to accept it and move forward with it. Guys, thank you for following the channel. Let me know your comments on below. Leave comments and let me know what you think about Coinbase being added to the S&P 500, as this is a big moment for crypto. Thank you.